As you can see, they've already begun building part of the foundation.
Hello again. We're going to look at another sentence today. Let's read it slowly together. As you can see, they've already begun building part of the foundation. Okay, again, slowly. As you can see, they've already begun building part of the foundation. Now, when we speed it up, at more natural speed, it gets a bit harder to understand. As you can see, they've already begun building part of the foundation. As you can see, they've already begun building part of the foundation. Okay? There are basically 3 points that I'd like to look at today. First of all, spoken more quickly, this is probably the most difficult area, part of the sentence right here. They've already begun. So we can think about this being they have. Right? As you can see, they have already begun. They have already. That's 5 syllables. They have already. That's 5. Okay? When we make it a contraction here, they have, we lose 1 syllable. So now there are 4. They've already. So part of what's happening is we've lost 1 syllable here. The other part of what's happening is that, once again, our good friend liaison is appearing. So what we really hear is, as you can see, they've already. They've already. And so it feels like this V sound is beginning the next word over here. They've already. As you can see, they've already. Okay? We can also find a little bit of the liaison right here. Began building part of. Part of changes when we speak quickly to part of. Begun building part of the foundation. As you can see, they've already begun building part of the foundation. So we have 2 examples of liaison here, which can make it a little bit harder to catch this sentence. The other point I'd like to think about over here with the word begun. Okay, so we're using have already and begun. So this is going to be the PP, or past participle, kakobunchi, right? PP, or past participle. Have plus begun. And we can focus especially on this sound right here. If we think of the present, begin, and then the past, began. Finally, what we have here, begun. And you can focus especially on these 2 sounds right here. Very difficult. Begin. Begin. Easy. Began. Began. Begun. Begun. So this pair is really the hard one. This sound, number 2, apple, apple. This one is began, began. Number 3 here, begun, begun. Okay, one more time slowly to finish. As you can see, they've already begun building part of the foundation. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.